Hi, I'm Jason. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to sell customized products on Shopify using Printify. For example, if someone were to go onto my Shopify store, they can choose to either customize a mug or they can choose to customize a t-shirt. Once they have selected the product they like to purchase, they can select the size, then they're going to see the option Add Personalized Design. Once you have tapped on that option, you can select the size once more, tap on Start Personalizing, then you'll tap on Image. After you have selected image, you could choose to upload the image, so I could select the image right there. Then after you have selected the image, you're just going to tap on Continue. And once you have selected Continue, you'll tap on Save Design. Then you're just going to tap on Pay. Once they have done that, Printify will deal with the printing and the customer service. So let me show you how to get started. The first thing you'll need is a Shopify account. So you can tap the link in the description and you'll be able to sign up for free. Next, you're going to need a Printify account. Again, I've included links in the pinned comment and description that you can use to create your Printify account. Once you have created your Printify account, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. You're going to tap right where you see My Shopify Store on my screen. Then you're going to tap right where you see Add New Store, and you're going to select Shopify. Then you're going to tap on Continue in the bottom right hand corner and select Continue once more. After you have done that, you're going to tap on Get the App. Once on this page, you're going to tap on Install. After you have selected Install, you'll be redirected to a new page and you're going to select Install once more. After you have selected Install, you're going to simply sign in to your Printify account. So you're going to tap on Log in to existing Printify. Once you're logged in, what I recommend that you do is go back onto your Printify dashboard. You're just going to tap on the X. Then from there, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you want to ensure that the store that you have connected is selected, as you can see right here. And you're going to tap on Catalog. Now, when it comes on to Printify and personalization, you need to have an active product on your Shopify store before you can add personalization. So you can add a first product, for example sake. Let's say the first product that I would like to offer will be this hoodie. So I'm just going to be selecting the hoodie. Then I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to tap on Start Designing. After you have selected Start Designing, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to select Personalize. And you'll have two options. You can either choose to offer customers the option to add personalized text or add personalized images, or they could choose to add both. So let's say I were to select personalized image. Then I'm just going to be selecting the placeholder image. So I'm going to be selecting this image right here. And it is going to be added. Then we're going to tap on Save Product in the bottom right hand corner. After you have selected Save Product, from there you can choose the mockups that you like to use. So this will be a mockup, this will be a mockup also. So you can see how it looks right there, and we're just going to tap right there and we're going to tap on Save Selection. After you have done that, you'll be now able to edit the title and description. So you can scroll down and you can edit the title and description, and you're going to select Publish. Then you're just going to select Publish anyway. After you have done that, what I want you to do next is you're going to be creating your second product. So you need to add two products. So you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to tap on Catalog once more. And let's say, for example, this time I want to offer personalized hats. So I'm just going to be selecting hat and I'm going to tap on this option. Then after doing that, you're going to tap on Start Designing. Then from there, you're going to tap on Personalize once more, and I'll select Personalize Image, and I'm going to be selecting the same placeholder image. After I've selected the image, I'm going to tap on Save Product. Then I'm going to tap on Save Selection, and from here, I'll be able to choose the mockups, and I'll also be able to scroll down, and from there, you can add in different instructions. And before tapping on Publish, I recommend that you go into your Shopify store. Go over to the left-hand menu option and select Products. After you have selected Products, you want to ensure that the product that you first published has been added. If it hasn't been added as yet, I recommend that you pause for a second until it shows up right here. So once you see the product is active on your Shopify store, you're going to go into Printify and you're just going to select Publish for the second product. Then you're going to tap right where you see Add App Block, and it is going to redirect you to your Shopify store. Now, it is going to redirect you to your editor page. On the editor page, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option, and you're going to realize that you now see Personalize button. and you can move it into the spot that you would like it to be displayed. So for example, I want it right above the add to cart button, so I drag and place it right there. Then we're just going to tap on save in the top right hand corner. Now that you have done that, you can go back into Printify, then you're just going to tap on publish. After you have selected publish, from there, if we were to go into our Shopify store, for example sake, and let's say for example we were to preview the product, so we could preview the product right here. Now whenever a customer goes onto our Shopify store, they'll see the personalized design option. It's as easy as that. So from now on, customers can select the size, tap on add personalized design, and be able to upload their design. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative.